Welcome to the Building Legacy channel. As a business owner, your goal is to build a strong foundation for your business, grow, and expand your business in the future. Here are the 7 common money mistakes of small business owners. Number 1. Unnecessary purchases. It started as a business idea. Knowing you would need financial backing, you created a business plan detailing the cost for equipment, hiring staff, payroll cost, and other essential items to start your business. After blood, sweat, and tears, you get the funding that you need to start your business. The business loan is now funded into your account. You must remember not to lose focus and use the money as it was intended. This money isn't for you to go buy a new car, but to stay focused and fund the business plan that got you this money. Purchase only the things absolutely necessary to run the business. It is crucial to limit your business and personal expenses. Until you start making profit in your business, focus attention on the business strategies to ensure its growth. Number 2. No business insurance. Imagine this. Your employees go home after a hard day's work. You do final bookkeeping for the night, then go home. At 3 a.m., you get a call from the police department saying your business is on fire. Business insurance is vital to have in order to cover unforeseen events, protect your business assets, legal claims, cover payroll expenses, and keep other essential items. Having business insurance can possibly prevent a bankruptcy of the business. Protecting yourself and your business from mishaps will provide peace of mind if you ever need to use your insurance. Make sure to speak with a professional to ensure you get the right business insurance for your needs. Number 3. Not separating business and personal bank accounts. In my opinion, one of the most important rules of business: do not mix funds. Personal and business accounts need to be separated at all times. Keeping personal and business accounts separate, you are able to track all funds going in and going out of your business. Keep business and personal accounts separate. Your taxes will thank you for it. Number 4. Too much credit card debt. As you begin to build your business, you will need to establish credit. Don't go crazy trying to get 10 business credit cards in a month. Do this over time as your business grows. Consider applying for 1 or 2 credit cards, cash flowing where you can, buying in bulk, and opening a business line of credit. Remember, you are still liable to repay all business debts, and to make sure the credit is used for business purposes only. Business credit is not for personal use. There will be plenty of opportunity as you grow to apply for more credit. In the meantime, pay your debts regularly. Establish a good business credit score. Stick to the business plan and don't be tempted to spend money on frivolous things. Number 5. No emergency fund. Having an emergency fund is important in your personal life as well as your business life. An emergency fund is in place for those unexpected events that may arise. Saving between 6 to 9 months of monthly expenses to cover unforeseen costs will keep you from falling behind on your debts and keep your business afloat. Be prepared. It's better to have the money and not need it than need the money and not have it. Get the emergency fund in place. Number 6. Not paying your business taxes. Paying taxes is a part of life, whether it's business or personal. Depending on the type of business, you may have to pay taxes quarterly. Set aside money to pay the government. Make sure to hire a tax professional to help you navigate your business taxes. This will prevent surprises at the end of the year. Number 7. Not having a business budget plan. Even in business, there are budget plans. A budget is there to keep you on track. Create a budget put in all expenses, and use the budget tracker to keep you out of financial trouble. This is not financial advice, but for educational purposes only. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell to get updated for more of our videos. We upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. Thanks for watching. Bye!